Welcome back to B4Crypto. In today's news video, we're going to look at the most important news articles in the crypto industry. And we're going to find out what is the overall market sentiment and are we facing a bottom or are we going to see a further dump towards the downside. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And now let's directly start with the first news article. So guys, like always, we're going to look at these news articles on Cointelegraph because Cointelegraph is just my trusted source of news. So guys, we're going to start with GBTC. Could Grayscale Bitcoin Trust collapse be the next black swan event? So guys, we saw this major dump from FTX. So could GBTC be the next one that are facing liquidity problems? We're going to find out exactly that. Bitcoin was trading at $16,500, the largest cryptocurrencies, just like the rest of the crypto industry, remains highly susceptible to downside risk as it continues to deal with the fallout from the implosion of exchange FTX. Contagion is the word on everybody's lips as November grinds on, just like Terra collapsed earlier this year, and fears that our new victim of FTX giant liquidity vortex will continue to surface. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC seems to be on everybody's radar this week for all the wrong reasons. So guys, we could see that a lot of FUD is in the markets and a lot of people are pointing on GBTC that they could be the next one that are having liquidity problems. But guys, we're going to find out later this week if it's really true or if it was just a major FUD. Data shows traders are slightly bullish even as crypto total market cap falls under 800 billion. The total crypto market capitalization has dropped under 800 billion, but data highlights a few reasons why some traders are bullish. So guys, we could see that the overall market condition looks quite bad, but guys, we are so close to the bottom and we are getting so many signals that this was the bottom. So guys, maybe we could see a relief bounce from these areas. Cardano to launch new algorithmic stablecoin in 2023. Proof-of-stake blockchain platform Cardano has partnered with Coty, a directed acyclic graph-based Layer 1 protocol to launch what is referred to as an over-collateralized algorithmic stablecoin. The project said it is an announcement provided to Cointelegraph that the stablecoin would be backed by excess collateral in form of cryptocurrencies stored on reserve. And that is actually quite good. But guys, do we actually need another stablecoin? Because we have BUSD, USDT, and guys, a lot of people think that USDT aren't backed by any cryptocurrencies or even with any collateral. But guys, USDT is so widespread, and guys, this would be a major black swan event if we will see that another stablecoin would collapse. And even if USDT would collapse, this would be a major downturn in the markets. So guys, it is very important that if you hold any stablecoins, that you should diversify. Because if we're going to see a total collapse with USDT or even BUSD, then you will lose a lot of money. And that's why I spread my stablecoins on BUSD and also USDT to be on the safe side if something major happens. So guys, CoinMarketCap launches proof of reserve tracker on crypto exchanges, and this is quite good guys, because CoinMarketCap is a quite big company and I think they're also involved with Binance. So this will really be a good tool for all the users to use to really know if you hold your money on any exchange that they really have the reserve. CoinMarketCap, a leading market research and tracker in crypto industry, announces the launch of a new feature on its platform that gives users updated financial insight of exchanges. The Proof of Reserve POR tracker audits active cryptocurrency exchanges. The tracker details the total asset of the company and its affiliated public wallet address, along with the balances, current prices and value of the wallet. And that is quite big guys. So if you want to find out more about this new function, go over to CoinMarketCap. So guys, we're going to go over to the next news article. Institutional investors are buying through Crypto Winter, a survey. Institutional investors continue to see a long-term potential of crypto and have been loading their bags through the year, according to a survey. And yes guys, when there's blood in the streets, all the big institutions are buying their cryptocurrencies, and that is also what you should do. You shouldn't run away from the crypto market during these major dumps. You should fill up your bags and be the one that positions themselves in the right position for the next cycle. So let's go on with this news article. A Coinbase sponsored survey released on November 22nd, conducted between September 21st and October 27th, found 62% of institutional investors invested in crypto had increased their allocations over the last 12 months. So guys, that is quite bullish because institutional investors aren't going away and these major dumps are just shaking out the weak hands in the market, all the retail investors that are selling their cryptocurrencies during these major dumps, and that is just the wrong thing to do. You should buy in these major dumps to be the one that has the right position in the markets. In comparison, only 12% have decreased their crypto exposure, indicating most institutional investors may be bullish on digital assets in the long term despite price falling according to the survey. And this is exactly what you should also do. Additionally, 58% of the respondents said they expect to increase their portfolio's allocation to crypto over the next 3 years, with nearly half strongly agreeing that crypto valuations will increase over the long term. And yes guys, they are loading up for a long term perspective, maybe 1, 2 or even 3 to 5 years. They are agnostic to some of this crazy volatility and price because they are looking it from a very long term perspective. They are looking over the next years, 5 years, decade or even more. And that's why it's very important to stay in Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies for long term. And guys, we're still early in this game, only 2.5% of the whole world population are invested in crypto. And guys, before we're going to go over to the next news article, if you like this content, smash up the like button and subscribe. And guys, if you want to trade cryptocurrencies on the spot market and even on the leverage market, go down in the video description below and sign up with my BitGet link where you receive a major deposit bonus, and by the end of the week I'm going to double a lucky winner's BitGet account. So guys, make sure to be a part of it and go down in the video description. So now we're going to look at the next news article. Litecoin hits fresh 2022 high versus Bitcoin, but will Litecoin price halve before the halvening? The 2011 born altcoin rallied nearly 16% month to date to reach $62 on November 22nd, outperforming its top rival Bitcoin at 16,500 and Ethereum at 1,160, which lost approximately 25 and 30% respectively in the same period. As Cointelegraph reported, Litecoin diverged from the broader cryptocurrency market downtrend earlier this month. With its halving slated for August 2023, Litecoin has also received an endorsement from none other than Michael Saylor for being a Bitcoin-like digital commodity. So we could see that Michael Saylor posted, Michael Saylor says Litecoin is also like a digital commodity like Bitcoin. And guys, yes, we have some similarities between Litecoin and Bitcoin, and Litecoin is also in the markets for quite a while. So could we see that the hash rate of Litecoin will even increase, and we're going to see that the halvening will even take place earlier? And are we going to see that Litecoin will still outperform Bitcoin? Litecoin's rally versus Bitcoin has made the Litecoin-Bitcoin pair overvalued according to its weekly relative strength index, the RSI. So we can see in the charts of Litecoin versus Bitcoin, and that is very important. It's Litecoin versus Bitcoin and not Litecoin compared to the US dollar. We could see that we have this divergence and we are getting to a critical resistance level. So could it be that we're going to see that Litecoin will outperform Bitcoin, or are we going to see a massive dump? Because at the moment we can see that Bitcoin was moving down and now we're getting this bounce, and a lot of altcoins will bounce even higher as Bitcoin. So guys, let's go on and let's see what we can see priced in USDT. Litecoin is eyeing a similar price crash versus the US dollar as it paints a bearish flag pattern on the weekly chart. So guys, on the weekly chart we can see that we have this continuation pattern and it is a bearish flag, and that means we could take it from the top all the way to the bottom of the flag and then pull it to the potential breakout point or to the top of this flag, and then we get this price target from this continuation pattern. Like we also saw here, we also had kind of a bearish continuation pattern and then we broke out towards the upside. So guys, it is very important if we're going to see a strong bounce and a relief for Bitcoin and that the bottom is finally in for Bitcoin, we're going to see that we're going to break this bearish pattern towards the upside, because Bitcoin will drag the whole crypto market with up. Bear flags are bearish continuation patterns that appear when the price consolidates higher inside a parallel ascending channel range after a strong move lower, called flagpole. So guys, this is what I told you with the flagpole, that this continuation will go down from the top of this range all the way to the price target. But guys, if we're going to see this bounce, we're going to see that the whole crypto market will push even higher. So guys, if you like this update, go down, smash up the like button and subscribe. This would really support my channel. And guys, make sure to watch my TA video, which I'm going to upload very soon. Be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.